I want to say a big thank you to the branding team for very kindly sending out these really beautiful stretchy sofa covers, which are perfect for giving your furniture a new lease of life or also preventing them getting damaged. If, like me, you've got pets, a busy household, you might find that your sofas and armchairs get wear and tear. They get damaged, they get dirty, they get finger marks, they get pet marks. If you eat your sofa as well, they are going to get mucky and it's really hard to keep on top of. This is where this sofa system would come in. So this comes in 6 different colours and 4 different size options. So you're going to find something that would fit your sofa. I've gone for this really lovely green. I'm going to pop it on there now. It's really fabulous because it is stretchy. It is going to go over your sofa really nice and snug and just give it a really nice sleek look. You can take it off whenever you need to and give it a wash and it will come up absolutely lovely as well. It's a very easy, cost-effective way to prevent your sofas and chairs from getting damaged and also just to give them a new look. Or if you just want to decorate seasonally as well. So for example, in the spring you want to use the green, which is what I will be doing with this. Maybe in the autumn you can pick a different colour, just so you can keep your colourway and your home looking fresh and styled. It also has a really cool little side pocket, so you can just tuck in things like your magazines, your remotes, your controllers as well, which is a really handy, nice little touch. I really love that. I think this is a really nice, great way to give your home a lovely refresh. Again, thank you so much for the team. I'm going to be popping it on my sofas now, just to prevent damage from cats, people, fingerprints, all that kind of stuff. It's really awesome. It's absolutely lovely and I really do appreciate it and I really do recommend it.